Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to show you how I repaired my North Pole communicator. We've had this 4 or 5 years, and the kids and the grandkids absolutely love this. The problem is the switch inside is real cheesy, so I went ahead and repaired this, and I thought I'd show you how I did that. So let's go ahead and take it apart and go from there. Okay, so all you're going to need to do is remove the screws on the back of the unit. And then down behind here on these little rubber feet, you're going to have to remove those. And that's going to reveal 2 screws on the back side. Alright, just very carefully pry that cover off there. There you go. Okay, so if you look closely, you'll see what I did is I just put a little switch here, and I'm not sure where I picked this up. I mean, I've got all kinds of old electronic stuff around, but the switch that was on there was just a couple of contacts that when that little cog went around, it would just hit the switch and then activate it. And it didn't take long for that to fail. So all I did was I hot glued a switch inside there, soldered on the connections, and off I went. And that's all I'd done. I mean, not a whole lot to this device. Just be careful when you take this apart that you don't disturb any of the other wires. And then once you've done that, hot glued the new switch in there. Just go ahead and put it all back together. And put the screws just back in just the way they came out.
One of the North Pole elves. We can't talk right now, but check back on December 1st.
All right, so on December 1st, we will check back and see what's going on with Clementine Bell. So as you can see, there's not a lot to this. You know, just do what you can to make this work with a little bit of hot glue and find a little switch kicking around if you have a junk pile like I do, and you should be good to go. So, all right, well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and I hope this helps you with your North Pole communicator.